Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've never joined us before, I'd just like to quickly introduce ourselves. I'm Phil and this is my wife.
I'm Juliet.
And I'm Alfie.
This is our grandson Alfie. Now we've been away to Dorset, so we've called this video
3 Go Caravanning in Dorset.
3 Go Caravan in Dorset. So we've stayed at a lovely site down in Wareham Forest. It's called Wareham Forest Touring Park.
Yeah,
Is it?
I think that's right.
Yeah, something like that. It's very nice. We'll put that on the bottom anyway. But yes, it's a really nice site. We've been quite impressed with it. I know friends who have other YouTube channels have actually also used this site, and they're quite regulars actually, and it inspired us to come, didn't it, really?
Yeah, we saw John and Karen's vlogs and we decided to come and have a look ourselves.
Yeah, if you want to check John out, it's Lensman Online. So that was it, really. That's how we ended up down here. But we've been to some lovely places, haven't we, Alfie?
Yes.
What's your favourite place that you've been to?
The Dinosaur Museum.
The Dinosaur Museum.
The Fossil Museum.
So it was the Fossil Museum down in Charmouth, that was.
Yes.
Nice place, that.
You bought some fossils, didn't you?
What else?
Crystal and shark teeth.
Crystal and shark teeth.
Yeah.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
What else have you enjoyed?
Bewley.
You enjoyed Bewley?
Bewley.
Yeah, I enjoyed Bewley. It was good. About 20 odd years since I last went to Bewley. In fact, when his mum was very young. And not much has changed, but we did enjoy the Top Gear section, didn't we?
I did, that was great fun. Great fun. So
we'll show you a little bit about all this, what we're talking about in a moment. So what else did you see?
Tank Museum.
Bovington Tank Museum. Now that has changed
a lot
since we last went. Well, last time we went, it was a shed basically with a lot of old tanks in it. Now it's absolutely brilliant. We'll show you a little bit on that as well.
Yeah, so if you ever get a chance to go, I would highly recommend going to the Tank Museum. It was great fun, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
We really enjoyed that.
So, let's have a look at what we've been doing on this holiday then. Oh, that was close. There you go.
course, with the tank as well, one of the other things you've got, not just the fire. You've got, well, I think we have got a hit there on the Mauritanians. You've got a tank to do what they call overwatch. It keeps an eye on things as well, whilst the other vehicles do the attack. Now there's our 432, it's working its way round the side of the Mauritanians' position. A lot of keeping an eye on them as well.
Well everyone, that was our little holiday break to Dorset, and as we called it, 3 Go Caravanning in Dorset. I'd like to thank you very much for watching, and I do hope that you'll give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Well, it's time for us to go now.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye for now.